How to identify who is behind a fake TikTok account on iPhone. So, if you want to identify who is behind a fake TikTok account on your iPhone, then first, let's start with the basics. Open up your TikTok. After that, check the username and display name. Plug those into Google, Instagram, or Twitter. Sometimes people get lazy and reuse their name. Next step is to reverse image search their profile pic. You can go with your profile of that. After that, save their profile. Then use Google Images or Tiny Eye on your iPhone browser. And if it's a stock photo or stolen from someone else's social media, then you're on to something. Or you can also scan the bio. You can look for the links to other accounts. These might spill even more personal info. Now, stalk their content, any familiar locations, slang, or background noise. That's a clue to where they are from or who they know. You can also go with their following, all followers list, or mutual friends. That's another piece of puzzle. If things get sketchy, then just report them to TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.